Is your external component the Aifm Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Adobe links. Before we get into the technical process for Aifm Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Aifm Library, the Adobe Illustrator File Manager. It manages the unmanaged parsing of .ai and .eps vector files, facilitating the orchestration of asset manifests within Illustrator and the data link to the visual renderer. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. It's important to note that Aifm Library DLL is installed as part of Adobe and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Adobe from the official source will restore the correct version of Aifm Library to your PC. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Aifm library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Aifm Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Aifm Library. If this fix repaired Aifm Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.